Alarm.com's video monitoring solution lets you see what's happening in and around your property, even when you're not there. Our portfolio includes a wide variety of cameras, both wired and wireless, indoor and outdoor, daylight and night vision, all of which are in high definition. When integrated into Alarm.com's platform, you can watch live video from your smartphone, tablet, or computer from anywhere in the world. You can also configure cameras to alert you of any unexpected motion around your property. For instance, have it send you a clip when the kids are opening their front door when they get home from school. Or simply use the camera to verify who is at the front door before you unlock it, even if you aren't at home. How, where, how many, and how often you use your cameras is entirely up to you, and that's the point. Alarm.com puts your home in your hands.